Hello and welcome to the Early Show. It's so good to have you here. My name is Janet and I'm here to help you tonight. I love to see kids read and that's why I do this business. So let me help you tonight. The best way I can help you is by your comments. After you watch the video, comment with what you like best. Then I'll be handy at the end of the party with the direct links so you don't have to search around in the dark. We have over 2,000 titles, so use me to help you. The more comments you post, the more drawing tickets you earn. So comment like crazy. The posts are going to go up in order, but then get wildly out of order quickly. I've numbered them, and as we go, I'm going to be putting them into a guide so you can quickly go back and see them in order. If you feel like the party is going too fast, well, it's because it is. The posts go up quickly because some people are fast, and I need to keep them engaged and from waiting. If you're slow, like me, there's no need to rush. Don't worry about it. This isn't a race. It's about having fun and finding the right fit books for you and your readers. Go ahead and refresh the event page often so you can see the posts. I promise the posts are there. If you can't find the next video, you probably just need to refresh. If you're on a computer, it's Control and F5, and if you just flick down on your phone, that will reload it. If you need me at any time, please message me or tag me. I go through all the posts several times, but I can miss things. I'm using recorded videos tonight so that while you watch them, I'm answering your questions and answering messages and on call for anything you need. My first post is going to go up in about 10 minutes, so I'll meet you over there soon. You're going to give our hostess some love, tell me about your favorite storybook as a child, and where you're tuning in from. Let's get this party started. If you're watching this and thinking, her job looks pretty easy, or I could do that, or I could do better than her. You're absolutely right. We love new book ladies on our team to help us spread literacy. Then we can reach even more parents, more children, and get the right books in the right hands of these kids and help them bond over reading. Help them drop those devices a little more often. I have more about that later, and you're welcome to message me with any questions. Right now, it's only $5 to join our team, and the company's going to give you a $10 book credit. It's like we're paying you to check us out. Looking to save some money? Host a party for free books. A better discount than you get than free. We love to expand family libraries, so let me know how you would like to host and I can hook you up with some great date options. I wanted to introduce you to some of our favorite books today, really quick. You can see behind me our Don't Tickle the Hippo. This is a fun book that's interactive and it's with sound. Don't tickle the hippo, you might make him snort. As you go through the book, each animal has different sounds, and it's very fun. My favorite part is the on and off switch on the back so that when I'm done playing, like, oh no, the hippo's gone to bed. For my older readers, I really love our Mindful Kids series. These books help kids just kind of take a break and a breather. There's so much going on in their life. They're written by Dr. Sherry Coombs. She's a child family psychologist. So they're interactive and good activities to kind of help refocus and center kids. There's 7 in that series. We like. I teach science and reading, so here we go. I get to geek out a lot with our books. We have our periodic table, Lift the Flap book. This one is awesome because it gives you so much information about the periodic table. It's fun, it's engaging, bite-sized chunks of information. My students at school love this book. I teach junior high, so it's good for kids of multiple ages. Next one we have a series called The Wrong Fairy Tale. In this one we've got Cinderella and the 7 Dwarfs, and just kind of seeing what happens to them as they realize that they're in the wrong fairy tale. How can the dwarfs help Cinderella? There's 4 in that series, and it's super fun. Another personal favorite, Beast Feast. Beast catches dinner and has to figure out what to do to help accommodate all of his friends. These are fun. They've got little letters that you can fold and interact with. Read about his Beast different friends that are coming to help him celebrate eating dinner. Lots of great books. I'm so excited. If you have any questions, please message me, and I'll see you over in the party soon.